In our yesterday class, we have done work on regression and time series analysis. In our today class, we will work for uh, RDA or CCA analysis, as well as we will work on study area map. And today will be your last class of this batch. So we will cover two topics in this class. First will be CCA or RDA analysis. So give heading CCA or RDA and RDA, and second study area map. Second topic will be study area map in Python. Okay, for it's CCA and RDA is similar to PCA, but the difference is that in RDA and CCA we need two type of data set. One is environmental factor and other is our morphological data or field data. So we need two type of data set for CCA and RDA analysis. Now please come to ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Yes, you can also perform these analysis in linguistic. Okay, open ChatGPT and write a message. What is CCA? Why do we perform CCA? Just type CCA, not RDA. RDA is different. Why do we perform CCA? And sample data table for CCA. Okay, send this message. All participants please follow these instructions and get sample data table. It shows you canonical correlation analysis is a multivariate statistical method used to explore the relationship between two set of variables. It helps you understand how two variables in one dataset relate to variables in another dataset. If you have two files and you want to relate both files, you can use CCA analysis. So CCA finds linear combination called canonical variates or of variables from each set, such as the correlation between these combinations as maximized. So you have two group of variables, must x independent variables and second is dependent variables. Okay, scroll down, check sample data table. Why you perform? Uh, yes, here is the sample data table for you perform CCA when you want to explore relationship between two multivariate set of variables. You suppose that underlying latent factors link the two sets. So we have two sets, sample data for table for CCA, students reading, writing, grammar, fluency, punctuation, and confidence. Scroll down, write a message. I need both different tables for CCA. Send this message. Here are the predictive variables: student, reading, writing, grammar. Scroll down, and here are the scroll down please. Set 2 is outcome variables: students, fluency, punctuations, and confidence. In above table, both things are in same table, but now you have both in different. Now write a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. Now I want to perform. Sorry, you can get data according to your field of study. So write a message. Thanks, but I need sample data for linguistic. If your field of study finance, please type finance. If your field of study business, type business. If your field of study biology, type biology. Please all participants get data related to your field of study. No. Uh, Say thanks and write a message. Give sample data. Thanks. Give sample data for. Thanks. Give data for. Do we need to get for? Yes, but write a message. Thanks. Give sample data for. Sample data for linguistic. Okay, you have get this data in linguistic. Good. Now get its Excel sheet or direct write a message and direct write a message to ChatGPT. And thanks. Now I want to perform CCA in Python with visualization. And send this message. Okay, check and copy the second code if completed. First check have been completed. Yes, copy and run. Run this line. Yes, here is the conical correlation. If you need its biplot, you can write a message. I need its biplot. Okay, now please all participants, you have 10 minutes. Complete this task. Also create RDA in same way and type done and share your results within group, and then I will move to next step. So please all participant, now you have 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I will come back and then we will move to next step. Now please do practice.